Gorgeous 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home at the end of a cul-de-sac with a commanding view of the neighborhood. First impression upon entering the home is how grand this floor plan is, with a balcony overlooking the entry. Designed for entertaining a large crowd. The home features 2 master suites, one on each floor, and one has a jetted tub while the other has a 21x5 walk-in closet, a well-appointed kitchen with granite countertops, tile backsplash, gas stove, large pantry and breakfast nook, a formal dining room, great room, living room with fireplace, 17x13 screened-in back porch, 34x17 patio, privacy fence backyard, 9 ceilings, plantation blinds, separate laundry room, security system, large backyard and additional overhead storage in the garage. Located in a highly sought neighborhood, close to everything.